Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you my frozen yogurt cups. They come together really fast and it's perfect when it's really hot outside. So if you guys love summer snacks, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this recipe only requires you to have yogurt and some of your favorite toppings. For me, all I did was take some muffin liners. These are some silicone muffin liners, and filled it up halfway with some yogurt. I just used some non-fat Greek yogurt from Costco, and then you can really top it however you want. I wanted to do a honey, so all I did was top it with some honey and then some fruit ones. I did mango and cherry, and then also a PB&J version. So I just put some peanut butter and then mixed up some raspberry jelly, or I think this is actually strawberry jelly. But you can see, you can play around with these ingredients. You can add or take away anything. You can make a completely berry one, you can make some vanilla ones, and honestly, it all tastes delicious. So then I just pop it in the freezer for a good 3 to 4 hours. I actually went ahead and left mine overnight, and then the next day you are ready to enjoy. I like to take it out and place it in a cup, let it kind of soften a little bit. But yeah, it's great. It's perfect for the summer, especially when you really need to cool down. All right, there you guys go. That is my quick and easy summer frozen treat idea. If you guys love this and all of my other summer snack ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.